so that I can wear them again because they were falling off my body. They were falling off my body. Hi everyone, I'm just popping on. I actually just pulled into my parking spot. I'm just popping on real quick to do a quick little video. I laughed so hard. I know it's not like new, but it's Bang's new flavor. The of course the can is shiny and the sun is shining. The rainbow unicorn. Come on. Focus. Anyway, it's not gonna do it. The rainbow unicorn. I laughed. I haven't tasted it yet. I'm gonna taste it later and let y'all know how it goes. I laughed though because I went card shopping for my niece for her birthday, and I got her one that was kind of funny. It was this one. It says, "Who wouldn't love a niece like you?" And then on the inside, it's got more kittens on it, and it says, "A heartless person who probably doesn't love kittens either," which I thought was funny, so I grabbed it, and I'm gonna give that to her. But then I was thinking, because my niece and my daughter have very similar, so look, Hi everyone. Okay, so this is attempt at video number 2. I got interrupted with the last one. So, I was doing my little review for Bang. Again, can is shiny. The rainbow. See if it'll focus this time. No, don't look like it's gonna. Rainbow unicorn. It was their new flavor this summer. I know it's not new right now, but it's, new to me. But no, I was laughing because yesterday I went to Walgreens and I got a card for my niece. It was her birthday. And we went out to a local joint, pizza place, to celebrate her birthday. And for those of you wondering, no, I did not cheat, this time around. I had done that, about a week ago, so no, I didn't cheat this week. I was back on the wagon. But no, I laughed because I'd read her card earlier, but I had gotten 2 other cards. I'm deciding on which one I want to use for my daughter's birthday. This is one that says, "May your day be more beautiful than a unicorn farting rainbows." And then it's, that's from Shakespeare, I think. That was funny. And then this one is, it's a Yeti holding a cake, writing a unicorn, Pegasus, Jobby. I think My Little Pony, they called them alicorns. Don't ask me how I know that. And it says, "Have a celebration of mythic proportions," and it's the Loch Ness Monster. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use for her birthday. We'll have to see, but I went to 7-Eleven right after that to, I don't know, I was going to get a peach mango Bang. And I did, but I also saw the rainbow unicorn, and I went, oh my god, can you really? That's like the fates going, you need to buy that drink right there. So I did, and I've tasted it. I tasted it a little bit earlier while I was setting everything up, and it tastes like, and tell me I'm wrong, it tastes like Hubba Bubba bubble gum, like the watermelon, I think, flavor. It makes me think of it's got like a green outline with a red center in it. Yeah, Hubba Bubba. It's good. Yeah, I like it. Pretty tasty. I was almost expecting like maybe a cotton candy type flavor or something, but no, it's pretty good. I also got another peach mango because That is actually my favorite out of them. Out of them all, my 7-Eleven only has a small selection, so I'm gonna have to find additional places to get them at. But yeah, so that's the Rainbow Unicorn. But I just saw those cards right before that. I just thought that was so funny. So I have good news. Short little story. We'll see if it's short. Short little story. About, it was probably a year ago now, but it was just as I was finding out that I was pregnant. I was shopping in the store and I bought some pants. I didn't try them on at the time, and they were on sale like dirt cheap. They were just like a couple of bucks a pair. So they were like capri type stretchy jean type pants. And I haven't owned jeans in so long. It has been so long. And so I bought these pants in the hopes that I'd have a nice pair of like short jean type things to wear over the summer. First mistake was not trying them on, but I figured, they're on sale, and if they don't fit, I'll just bring them back. So I brought them home, didn't try them on right away, waited, I don't know, it's like a week or two later, I finally tried them on, and they didn't fit. They didn't fit at all. I couldn't get them up over my butt. Okay, so they were no-goes. And so I put them back in their bag, and I put them in my closet, and they've sat there for, I guess, a year now. Yeah, because I just found out I was pregnant. And so they've sat there for a year. And we had an issue at the beginning of this year where we ended up having to pack up all of our clothes. The apartment next to us had bed bugs. And so we had to pack up all of our clothes, have them come in, spray everything. They inspected our apartment. Thank God we didn't actually have like an infestation. We found like 2 or 3 in our bathroom, and actually the bathroom of the adjoining wall of the other apartment. So they went in and cleared out that apartment, sprayed our apartment, but we had to bag everything up. Anyway, I'm digressing. So we'd hung up the pants just as we were hanging everything else up. So they've been hanging in my closet now for quite a while. And so I was putting clothes away today. Pay no attention to the pile of pillows that are along the floor there. It is laundry day, and I am washing the bed sheets. So as I was hanging up the other clothes, I saw the pants hanging there, and I went, I'm going to try them on. They're probably going to be too tight still, but maybe another 15, 20 pounds, they'll fit comfortably. Y'all, they fit. And they fit comfortably. Like I'm wearing them right now. They fit. Let me see if I can. Let's see. The lighting in here is bad, but they fit. Like, they really, honest to God, fit. I got them up over my booty. I can wear these out in public. They're not uncomfortably fitting. There's room to grow. I don't plan on growing anytime soon, but they fit. I was like, oh my gosh. And I had another set that had stars on it, and I'm so excited. They fit. I expected, set that back up. I expected to try them on and then be really tight, be like, oh well, another couple of months or whatever, and they'll fit. No, they fit now. I mean, I couldn't, when I bought them, I could not get them on up my butt. And I wasn't that pregnant yet. I had just found out I was pregnant, so I couldn't even really use that as an excuse. So I am so excited. I have weighed myself. I am bouncing around as I suspected I would be. I weighed myself this morning and I was like 300.2 again. But that's okay. That is okay. I expected that sort of thing. It is not unusual for my weight to fluctuate a couple of pounds, bounce around for a little bit, and then go down again. So, I am watching what I eat. Like I said, I didn't cheat last night. I didn't eat what I wasn't supposed to. No judging. Then everybody ordered pizza and stuff. I ordered their salad bar. My husband bought wings or ordered wings, and we split them, and I had the salad bar. They ordered pizzas, and they had Oreo ice cream cake, which would have been awesome, but, I really wasn't tempted. I didn't, after the other weekend, I woke up feeling so crappy. I was like, yeah, you know what, I'm good. I'm okay. I don't need to eat that and feel like crap in the morning. So, yeah, that's weird. They fit. Oh my God, they fit. If you can't tell, I'm excited that they fit. And I actually have my favorite pair of pants is this blue one I got from Steinmart a few years ago. Can't find them there. It's the same brand, the Traveler or something that they still have, but I can't find the same style or just plain like navy or black. Can't find them. It's like they have them every now and again, and they're expensive. They're like the most expensive pair of pants I have ever owned. It's like $40 for a pair of pants. Pants, people. Pants. But I had to take them in. I took them in like 4 inches. 4 inches. 2 on either side. And I did like a little, not divot, I can't think of the word, but I kind of pinched them in and folded it over to, I can't think of the word, but, I took them in like 2 inches on each side, so that I can wear them again, because they were falling off my body. They were falling off my body. So yeah, I took them in, so I can continue to wear them for at least, maybe 20 more pounds, which would be nice. And then I'm going to have to go find some new pants at that point. Hopefully these ones will still fit me. Maybe. Maybe hopefully not. But yeah, so that's my good news for the evening. I got new pants. But yeah, so Bang tastes like Hubba Bubba. And it's good. It is. It's good. I like it. So I'm still deciding on which card. Unicorn Farts or Mythic Birthday. I don't know. I kind of like the wind blowing through the Yeti's face hair, That's pretty awesome. So we will talk to you later. All right. Bye.